Hey everybody, I'm Dominic from askmediy.com. In this video, requested from one of my YouTube subscribers, is how to replace your shower head. And I was like, oh, come on, it's easy. But I'm thinking, well, maybe it's not so easy if you've never done one. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to replace this older, and it's all plastic, and I know it's a piece of junk. So I'm going to show you just really how to replace the shower head. All right, well, here's a pair of channel locks, as you can see. You don't want to use anything crazy. Sometimes you could just spin them off, but if they've been on for a while, like this one has, you need a little help. So, okay, so it wasn't crazy help. All right, so there we go. Loose, and I can spin the rest of it off. One thing you want to pay attention to when you do take these off, if they are really tight, that you don't end up spinning the spout that comes out of the wall. That's also threaded on the inside, so you just want to make sure you don't do that. And if you do, you can use another pair of pliers to hold it the opposite direction while you take this one off. And this one here, this doesn't even have Teflon tape on it, which when we install the new one, we're going to put some Teflon tape. And if you look at this one here, you'll see it's all plastic, it's stained. I mean, I guess there's a bit of hard water in here, but all plastic. The whole thing, it doesn't look plastic, it's plastic, and it's garbage. All right, now we're going to install our Teflon tape, which will be in the same direction that we're going to be putting our shower head on. So we're looking at it here straight on, so we're going to be going clockwise. So we're going to do the same with the Teflon tape. And one thing about the Teflon tape, a lot of people don't realize that you want to put at least four, go around at least 4 times. Make sure it's nice and snug in there, okay? Now I'm turning it like this to push it in and hold it nice and tight. If I just touched it and went the other way, it would really unravel and fall off. So now we are ready for our new shower head, which, like I said, I don't like those, like see this? That's metal. Well, why not, put all metal, right? I'm gonna install one of these really cool ones with the wand here, has the hose on it. And look at this thing. This thing is solid brass. Beautiful. And we're just going to put it on clockwise like that. And I can feel the Teflon tape, meaning that I can feel that it didn't just go on super fast. I can feel that it's doing something. I'm going to tighten that like that. And then I'll put a wrench on that and tighten up a little bit more. Okay, now let's install the rest of this. Okay, this is our new shower head. Yeah, I mean, you can use any shower head you want. I went with the real metal one, and I mean, I didn't want to buy one of these high name brands that's going to cost me a ton of money. This one here, I mean, look at it. Metal, everything's metal. The hose here, it's not covered with a cheap plastic, which I like. I don't like cheap stuff. So if you are installing something like this other than a regular shower head, you'll see we have little black seals in here. All right, important. If you don't put those in, you're gonna have a problem. Okay, so being that we're going on a rubber seal, okay, so we're tightening it down with a hand like this. Just tighten it down as tight as you can. I mean, you can put a wrench on it, but this is brand new. I don't want to start, scratching things up. Right, so, and I mean, really, that's good enough. This here, gonna go on like this. Again, yours could be very different. And actually, I like this one so much, I'm gonna put a link to where I got it right below the video. And I gotta do adjustment. Which way is it go? Okay, being that they're 2 different ends, it would be nice to install the correct end on the correct side. Okay, now you know, now I know. Again, tight as you can. Okay, and ooh, that even looks nicer. Nice and tight. And now look, when I'm not washing, I can wash all the doors. I can wash everything down. You're behind. Look at that. Very cool. Wow, like it. Again, all metal. Unlike most of my videos, I show you how to do more things, more technical. This is real simple, but I figured what the heck, and it was by a request of one of my many subscribers. So hey, be one of those subscribers, subscribe, and then you'll get all my big technical videos and simple ones like this. The shower head I was using is from, hang on, I gotta get the name here. Hammerhead Showers. Hammerhead Showers. And again, I like it. See how long it lasts. Should last for many, many, many years over plastic. Link down the bottom for that. Thanks for watching. You know. Oop. All right.